Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Folks, how you doing today? So another fabulous build on our behalf, another nice visible gas pump finished. These are quite a bit of work, as you can well imagine. I mean, when you get these, they're typically a bit rusty, etc. Every nut and bolt comes apart. Everything goes out for sandblast. Everything comes back for professional car paint. As you know, cast iron is typically a very porous and rough metal. So this is all cast iron. The lid is all cast iron. The bottom is all cast iron. That stuff all gets smoothed out real nice. I mean, it's smooth as silk. And then we do a really nice on the whole entire thing. As you see, it's 2 colors. All gets the highest quality car paint. It gets color sanded after that. It gets clear coated. All of the metal, which should be chrome, has all gone out for triple plating. So that's the door, all of the rods, all of the plumbing, all of the plumbing up here for the lights, the handle, etc. All goes out for chrome. As I say in most of my videos, I can't put any more money in this. It's kind of an unlimited budget, you know, because it's such a great piece. I'll put in it whatever it takes to make it a 10. That's what happened here. These are water release decals, so they're not vinyl decals. So they're water release decals, clear coated over. Once again, nice vintage nozzle here. It's all been polished. You'll see in the stills the plumbing here for the electricity, which goes up the back, which is all plated. The overflow and the pump pipe in here are both plated. All of these are plated. This has the 15-inch globe on it, which is a steel globe ring. We don't buy any plastic whatsoever, with your convex reverse glass signs inside of them. Done very well. The pump is no longer in this. We got it without the pump. I'm kind of happy. Actually, I am happy that the pump is not in there now. It lightens the load. It doesn't detract from the pump whatsoever. So just absolutely beautiful, brand new hose. Everything is, I can't put no more money. And as always, a nice glass globe. Okay, a nice glass cylinder globe. I put the nice antique style lights in them, even up top, because I don't like a bright white glow. So I suggest you guys use these antique bulbs. As you can see, it softens it up there, softens the whole thing. This pump is 10 foot tall, right at 10 foot tall, almost exactly, so you know what the height is. And it's like 17.5 by 17.5 in the bottom. It's a beautiful pump. We like to get these, as everybody knows, they're getting a little harder to get, and chrome has went up. Everything has went really up in price. So this is ready to go. As you know, when you are ready for this pump, what we will do is we will completely knock it down, okay? And we actually make some little instructions to put it back together. We mark all the wiring and everything very clearly for you. It gets all knocked down. It goes next door to Orange County Crating, which is our partner in crating. They're professional as it gets. It goes in a box. It will be brought to your home or business. It will be sat in your driveway or in your garage. You will simply unbox it and put it together. Once again, 1920s HAYES, visible gas pump, restored beautifully. It's ready to go. Buy it, we'll get it next door, we'll get it shipped. And as always, I want to thank you for watching our videos. Come on in, chime in, watch us, put us on watch on YouTube, Instagram, all those things. And check out what we're doing. I think you're going to enjoy it. And thanks for watching our videos. folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.